Patrymau Iaith diwrnod 5. Rhyddlan a dinbych. Sylfaen. Day 5 language patterns. Your day in Rhyddlan and Denbigh uses units 10 to 14 of the Sylfaen course. Here's a quick review of the main grammar points and patterns from these units. Rhif 1. Y dyfodol, the future. In the future tense, the full pattern for bored, to be in the future, I will be, you will be, is mi fydda I, mi fyddi di, mi fydd o, mi fydd hi, mi fydd Edward, mi fydd y plant, mi fyddwn ni, mi fyddwch chi, mi fyddan nhw. Fydda I ddim, fyddi di ddim, fydd o ddim, fydd hi ddim, fydd Edward ddim, fydd y plant ddim, fyddwn ni ddim, fyddwch chi ddim, fyddan nhw ddim. Fydda I, fyddi di, fydd o, fydd hi, fydd Edward, fydd y plant, fyddwn ni, fyddwch chi, fyddan nhw. Bydda, na fydda. Byddi, na fyddi. Bydd, na fydd. Bydd, na fydd. Byddan, na fyddan. Byddwn, na fyddwn. Byddwch, na fyddwch. Byddan, na fyddan. Rhif 2. Cael, mynd a gwneud yn y dyfodol. Having, going and doing in the future tense. The other irregular verbs, cael, mynd a gwneud, also have a well-used form in the future tense. It's important to note that in English there is no future tense without the word will. Welsh is different and the will isn't needed. You can just use gwneud, mynd and cael in the future tense. Gwneud in the future is often used to express an intention or to ask a favour, something that will be done. Wnei di agor y ffenest? Will you open the window? Mi wna I lanhau'r gegin. I will clean the kitchen. Here's the full pattern. Mi wna I, mi wneud di, mi wneith o, mi wneith hi, mi wnawn ni, mi wnewch chi, mi wna'n nhw. Wna I ddim, wneud di ddim, wneith o ddim, wneith hi ddim, wnawn ni ddim, wnewch chi ddim, wna'n nhw ddim. Wna I, wneud di, wneith o, wneith hi, wnawn ni, wnewch chi, wna'n nhw. Mynd in the future describes places you will go to. Mi a I ar wyliau. I will go on holiday. Eith o ddim dramor. He won't go abroad. Ei di adra? Will you go home? Here is the full pattern. Mi a I, mi ei di, mi eith o, mi eith hi, mi awn ni, mi ewch chi, mi a'n nhw. A I ddim, ei di ddim, eith o ddim, Eith hi ddim. Awn ni ddim. Ewch chi ddim. A nhw ddim. A i. Ei di. Eith o. Awn ni. Ewch chi. A nhw. Kyle in the future is often used to ask for permission. Will I get to do something? Ga i fynd adre? May I go home? Geith o ddod hefyd? May he come too? Chawn ni ddim gadael eto. We're not allowed to leave yet. Here's the full pattern. Mi ga i. Mi gei di. Mi geith o. Mi geith hi. Mi gawn ni. Mi gewch chi. Mi gan nhw. Cha i ddim. Chei di ddim. Cheith o ddim. Cheith hi ddim. Chawn ni ddim. Chewch chi ddim. Cha nhw ddim. Ga i. Gei di. Geith o. Geith hi. Gawn ni. Gewch chi. Gan nhw. And finally, to say yes or no answers in the future tense, it is often simpler just to reply with positive or negative sentences. For example, mi wna i. I will. Rhif 3, y dyfodol. Pa un i'w ddefnyddio? The future tense. Which one to use? Do you remember working out which pattern to use in the past tense? Are you talking about doing, going, being, or having something? Imagine talking about a visit to the castle in the past. Mi wnes I fynd I Gastell Conwy. I went, long form, to Conwy Castle. Mi es I Gastell Conwy. I went, short form, to Conwy Castle. Mi gerddes I. I walked. Mi ges I hufen iâ. I had an ice cream. Roeddwn I. Ro'n i'n hapus. I was happy. Dwi wedi gweld Castell Conwy. I've seen Conwy Castle. Now let's try the same thing, but imagining a trip in the future. Mi fydda i'n mynd I Gastell Conwy. I will be going to Conwy Castle. Mi wna I fynd am dro. I will go, long form, for a walk. Mi a I Gastell Conwy. I will go, short form, to Conwy Castle. Mi ga I hufen iâ. I will have an ice cream. Mi gerdda I. I will walk, short form. Rhif 4. Rhifau, blynyddoedd, a threigladau. Numbers, years, and mutations. Numbers cause mutations and it can be mind-boggling. Fortunately, when counting years, there is a mnemonic to help. Fish fingers, baked beans, more beans, Un flwyddyn, 2 flynedd, 3 blynedd, 4 blynedd, 5 mlynedd, 6 blynedd, 7 mlynedd, 8 mlynedd, 9 mlynedd, 10 mlynedd. Seconds, hours, weeks, and years are feminine. Minutes, days, and months are masculine. Fortunately, there is a pattern. They alternate between masculine and feminine in this list of increasing time periods. Tair eiliad, 3 munud, tair awr, 3 diwrnod, 2 wythnos, 3 mis, 2 blynedd. This rhyme is well worth memorising to help you. Yr eiliad hon, y munud hon, yr awr hon, y diwrnod hon, yr wythnos hon, y mis hwn, y flwyddyn hon. Hwn is this, masculine. Hon is this, feminine. This concept is taught at canolradd.